From classrooms to clinics, where theory meets therapy. Today, we are not just talking about books and lectures. We are stepping into labs, playrooms, and therapy spaces kung saan hinuhubog ang mga future occupational and physical therapies natin. Kaya samahan nyo kami ni Ariam sa panibagong episode ng Perpetualite TV. Perpetualite TV! As always, syempre hindi lang kami ang maglilipot today. May kabarkada tayong future therapist!
Kaya naman, let's welcome Ate Jermaine and Kuya Jacob!
Hello po! Ate Jermaine and Kuya Jacob, pakilala niyo naman ang sarili niyo sa ating mga kabarkada.
Hello everyone, I am Jacob A. Capistrano, a current first-year Bachelor of Science in Physical Therapy student.
Hello everyone, my name is Jermaine and I am a second-year Occupational Therapy student.
Ayan, parang I can sense that may someone that could give advice kapag masakit yung likod ko.
Actually, sakto nga Ate Julia kasi masakit talaga yung likod ko ngayon kaya sana tama yung senses mo.
Actually, I can sense talaga na parang nasa medical field sila.
Tamang-tama kasi as you can see here, we are wearing our white uniform that represents the Physical and Occupational Therapy students here in Perpetual Las Piñas campus. Not only that, we also have our nameplates that includes our name, the name of our program, and also the logo of our college.
Now that is just great. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's start our journey.
Kaya naman, pack your things and get ready because we are going on a trip. Tara, let's! Tayo na't mag... LakWATCHa!
Ate Julia, anong masakit? Magpapacheck up ka ba?
Hindi! Nahihilo lang ako kasi ang daming machines.
Of course, I can help you. So welcome to room 506. And this is our room for our laboratories and practicals. So dito nakalagay halos lahat ng mga equipment namin ng mga PT/OT students. So now let's start. First, we have the shockwave therapy machine. Dito naglalabas ng mga acoustic waves na tumatama sa mga affected areas ng katawan. Madalas ginagamit ito for chronic pain, tendon injuries, at iba pang musculoskeletal problems. Now we also have the Chattanooga ultrasound machine na ginagamit upang magpadala ng sound waves para sa ating muscles and joints. Nakatulong ito magbawas ng pain, magpabilis ng tissue healing, at mag-reduce ng inflammation.
And of course, we have our hot pack unit hydrocollator. It is a heating unit na ginagamit para pampainit ng hot moist packs. So para lang siyang instant spa treatment na ginagamit for stiff muscles at body aches bago mag-therapy.
And this one is the automated bicycle ergometer. So this is a stationary bike for rehabilitation. And this is perfect for cardio, endurance, and pampalakas ng lower limbs ng ating mga patients.
And this is what we call the transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation or TENS machine. It may look small, but it is powerful. So it produces mild electrical impulses to relieve the pain. So kapag ginagamit natin siya, nagkakaroon lang tayo ng tingling sensation, but do not worry, it is safe.
And finally, the laser machine. It is a low-level laser light na ginagamit para ma-lessen ang inflammation, pain, at mag-promote ng tissue repair.
Okay, wait. Bago pa mag-overdrive yung utak ko sa dami ng machines, let's head upstairs.
Let's go to the 6th floor laboratories.
At ito naman Ate Julia, ang parang training ground talaga nila sa dami ng mats and tables. Anytime ready sila for action.
Oo nga, ang dami. Ano po ba ginagawa dito?
So this is the Physical Therapy Laboratory 1 or ang tinatawag namin na PTL1. So dito kami nagpa-practice ng aming mga demonstration at mga practicals. So pretty much hands-on kaming lahat. We do manual therapy, exercise techniques, and other rehabilitation skills.
So, para lang siyang simulation area. Kung ano yung ginagawa namin sa mga actual patients, ay ipinapractice muna namin dito para mas safe at mas guided.
So para talaga siyang rehearsal room para pag sinalang kayo sa hospital or clinic, confident na kayo sa bawat galaw niyo. Kaya ano, on to the next stop?
Ano, tara?
This is the Physical Therapy Lab 2 or ang tinatawag namin na PTL2. So dito nagaganap yung aming mga lectures para sa major subjects namin for our PT program.
Dito kami nagdi-discuss ng theories, case studies, and concepts bago pumunta sa mga lab rooms for practice.
So ito yung headquarters of knowledge bago ang inyong actual training.
Exactly, kung sa PT1 lab, hands-on, dito, analysis and utak ang kailangan.
And sa past facilities, doon natetest ang physical capabilities ng ating PTOT students. Dito naman natetest ang kanilang mental capacity. So ano, lipat na tayo sa next room?
Tara?
Parang classroom setup ulit dito.
Now, welcome to the Occupational Therapy Lab Room or also known as the OTL Room. Dito, nag-aaral din kami ng mga theories at mga case studies na kailangan bago pumunta sa mga lab rooms. And while we saw the physical therapy rooms earlier, dito naman ang occupational therapy. And not only that, ginagamit din namin ito para mag-aral ng mga major subjects namin sa OT program.
So kung kanina, hands-on, sa room na to is lecture and analysis.
Yes. So we also have the ADL Skills Lab or ang Activities of Daily Living Skills Lab. Dito naman sinasanay ang mga daily living tasks gamit ang mga adaptive techniques at assistive devices. Mula sa pag-dress ng mabilis at ligtas hanggang sa tamang paggamit or pag-transfer at bathing.
Tinitrain din namin ang pag-modify ng environment at ang pagturo sa family para mas maging sustainable ang care kay patient pag-uwi. And not only that, we also have scenarios where we can practice our interventions like sa post-OP, stroke, and mobility-limited cases.
Finally, we have the isolation room. Ginagamit ito for private assessments, infection control cases, or any necessary specialized interventions na kailangan ng controlled environment. May strict entry protocols at PPE para protektado ang patient at staff.
Grabe, ready sila dito. And speaking of ready, parang ready na tayo para sa ating next stop.
Tara? Wow, para tayo nasa playground.
Pero seriously ate, what is this room?
Welcome to the Pediatric Laboratory Room. Dito, gumagamit kami ng toys and child-sized materials for pediatric assessments and interventions. Meron din kaming wall rock climbing for physical activities and games like puzzles for mind training.
So a practice space for working with kids.
Yes, safe place para matutunan ng mga bata at family.
Bukod sa laging ready para sa kahit anong scenario, they also include people of all ages. Kaya this course is really one of a kind and I wonder saan at paano nga ba ito nagsimula?
Alam niyo ba, the College of Physical Therapy was first established in 1988.
Also, by 1992, nag-launch na rin ang Occupational Therapy Program, kaya naman it was renamed as the College of Physical and Occupational Therapy.
Wow, pioneer!
And in 2004, sila pa ang unang nagtatag ng first ever community-based rehabilitation center dito sa Las Piñas. Kaya malaking hakbang ito para sa community outreach.
Ang bilis talaga ng growth nyo and kaya pala kumpletong-kumpleto kayo sa labs and facilities.
Tama ka dyan. And also, hindi lang mga local facilities ang meron natin, kundi meron din tayong malalaking partner hospitals tulad ng Philippine General Hospital, Jose R. Reyes Memorial Medical Center, at Philippine Orthopedic Center, at marami pang iba. Hospitals man yan, specialty centers, at community placements, maraming mga internship opportunities ang ating mga PTOT students.
And Ate Julia, did you know they have produced CEOs, clinical directors and specialists abroad and in the Philippines.
Sino-sino?
Like Dr. Richard Holzman sa US, Myla Sandig sa Digital Innovation, and Dr. Darian J.P. De Castro sa SportsMed.
Ang dami!
Opo, bukod pa dyan, maraming top-notchers sa board exam. Meron tayong mga first placers at consistent board passers every year.
At just last year, sa June at December 2025, dumami ang bagong board passers. Talagang ipinagmamalaki namin ang legacy.
And that's why from humble beginnings to hands-on excellence, ito ang kwenta ng College of Physical and Occupational Therapy.
Yes, nakita natin ang kanilang mga clinics, labs, community work, at ang mga taong bumubuo ng program na ito.
Ang training dito hindi lang technical skills. Ito ay leadership, compassion, at public service.
At bawat internship, bawat community visit, at bawat board passer ay kabilang sa lumalaki naming legacy.
We are beyond proud of the alumni na nagiging leaders and top-notchers sa kanilang respective fields na nagpapatunay ng kalidad ng ating training and facilities.
Pero higit sa medals at titles, ang tunay na sukatan ay ang kanilang pagbabago na dinadala nila sa kanilang mga pasyente at komunidad.
Agreed, Ate Julia. Kaya naman sa mga aspiring therapists out there, we hope this gave you a glimpse sa passion and purpose sa College of Physical and Occupational Therapy. Maraming salamat ulit Kuya Jacob and Ate Jermaine as well as sa ating mga viewers sa pagsama sa amin sa LakWATCHa ngayong araw. At kung gusto niyo pa ng mas maraming kwento, ganap at kulitan,
Make sure that you are subscribed to our official YouTube channel, and that is a Perpetual DALTA Official.
huwag niyo rin kalimutan i-click ang notification bell para updated kayo sa latest happening.
This has been your Barkada for today.
I am Jacob!
I am Jermaine!
And I'm Mariam.
And I am Julia. For now, you can pack your things and see you on our next trip. This is
LakWATCHa!